When we last left off, we did stuff. Now we're gonna continue. But this one stupid jump right here. That's not helping me. 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 Oh no! I made it too! There. Uh-oh. That's not good. Yeah. Note to self. Stay away from torpedoed heads unless you're spin jumping off their heads. Uh-oh. Too high. Damn it, damn it. Yep. Oh, whoa. No. Oh, fine. Get the damn hit and go. Up. Torpedo, go away. I don't feel like getting hit by a torpedo. I don't want to get hit by a torpedo. Awesome, I still have my mushroom. I pushed the mouse button. Ow. There we go. Yay, I still have my mushroom. Your face, guys, up. That was awesome. That was nice. Something tells me I'm not gonna make this. Damn it. Oh, you son of a bitch. Yay. I think this level's called Fish Out of Water in English. I mean, it makes sense, but the level itself doesn't make sense. Oh look, there's Paul Hammerbro again. I guess the creator Kaizo really likes Paul Hammerbro. And likes hammers anytime. Damn it. Okay, you know what? No, go to hell. I'm keeping this. I'm keeping my mushroom. Besides, he embarrassed me enough with that one jump. Uh-oh, got this. Damn it. Okay. Mario, I realize you're fat. But you don't have to hate me. It's not my fault you eat so many mushrooms a day. Okay, really? Really? Times 57? 50? This mushroom's just gonna make my lawn go... Oh my... Yeah, I'm at least gonna try to get past this level. Okay, just one more to go. Okay. Really? I'd like to know how Luigi's related to this dumbass. I mean, Mario's too stupid to be Luigi's brother. Fine! Oh, for God's sakes. Why is this taking so long for me to do? This never takes me... I think it's because I'm big. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I screwed myself over by making myself big for this planet. Cucumber. Oh my god, seriously? It never takes me this long to complete this jump. Okay, this is slowly getting annoying. And I'm just gonna get to the point where I just give up the mushroom and go. Okay, this is slowly getting annoying. No, this is all the damn mushroom's fault. Thank you. Since this mushroom's screwing me over, the mushroom's doing nothing for me. Why can't I? You're supposed to go this way, moron. Oh my god. God damn it. Okay. No, I'm not keeping this hit. I don't think I need it for this. Thank you. God damn it. Wanna punch me anymore? What do we have next? Oh no. I hated this level before. Now they're bringing it back. Damn it! Exactly when I get past the stuff. Okay, you know? Yeah, you know. This is so dumb. Oh, I even made that. Yeah, you know, I'd love to make this, if you let me. Son of a bitch. There we go. This is gonna suck. Why am I so bad balanced? Usually not this bad balanced. That was a bad move. There we go. Done it. And now for this puzzle. Oh god, I've got you just stay down here. Dumbass. Yay! What? No, let me off the rope. I got this! There we go. Told you I got this. Okay, this is gonna suck. A timer. I almost pressed the save button. Really? Damn it! Let me through! Oh my god, and there's one last fuck you right at the very end. Damn invisible coin blocks. Damn it. I really hate these, you know, where they're invisible coin blocks. That's the way to piss me off, kids. Just throw in invisible coin blocks in the perfect place. That's the best way to piss me off. Since apparently that's what you like! Let me through! Yeah. Damn it. There! God damn it. Yeah, I could probably make that if I were small, but whatever, just take a hit. More on this next time.